Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlink Facebook from Scrabble Go. If you're trying to unlink your Scrabble Go account with Facebook, then the process is quite easy. Open your Scrabble Go application and make sure that you're logged in to your account. After you're inside the main homepage, tap on your profile picture at the top left-hand corner. Now, simply go ahead and tap on your gear button at the top right-hand corner from your profile page. Tap on the Facebook option shown on the display over here and tap on Disconnect in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to disconnect your Facebook account from Scrabble Go. If you ever want to link to your Facebook account back again, you'll need to go and tap on the gear button at the top right and tap on Facebook. In the pop-up, tap on the continue button and log into your facebook.com account, and you'll be able to connect back to Facebook again. That was how you can easily disconnect Facebook from Scrabble Go. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.